Hello everyone. Today's question is 1 minus 5. In brackets, 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4, in brackets, 1 minus 5. We'll remove the brackets from minus 4 and multiply. Minus 4 times minus 4, when you multiply minus by minus, it becomes positive. 4 times 4 is 16. This is the answer, but this is the wrong answer. Now rewrite the question, 1 minus 5 in the bracket. So according to the BODMA rule, we'll solve the bracket first. 1 minus 5 in the bracket is 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. Now, after removing the bracket, we'll do the multiplication. Multiply by minus 4, now minus 4, and minus times minus becomes plus. 1 plus 5 and 4, 5 into 4. Now we'll continue solving further. 1 plus 5 into 4 is 20. Now, continuing further, 1 plus 20 equals 21. This is the right answer.